Hey, YouTube, I'm, gonna be showing you my freaking, Yogbox XP grinder. I'll probably be doing a, tutorial, get like 40 views. I'm just trying to clean off everybody who camps up there. So yeah, I got my sharpness 2, smite 2, sword and all. While I'm doing that other tutorial, I'll probably, show you how I like get this sword, like get a wind sword, click R and some cool crap happens. I wish they like kept one shots on or 2 shots on like other things. Like really 2 shots to kill a freaking pig with a normal diamond sword, like are you kidding me? And yeah, so yeah.